1971 Jeepster Commando. First drive since we owned it. Brought it home, messed with the points, fired right up.